How does your company deliver orientations? Has everyone around you been orientated properly? What are the risks of not completing orientations? What does it cost to complete on-site orientations? How much time is taken up with administration? Orientation Manager, giving you the power to orientate employees and contractors through PCs, tablets, or smartphones. Delivering orientation training is easy. Administrators can set up new employees or contractors in seconds. An email is automatically sent to the user, allowing them to complete their orientations immediately from any device. Successful completion will generate a unique ID, which administrators can track straight away. New starters can be easily validated from any location. Welcome on board! Company administrators control user data, reporting, and course content through a simple control panel. Setup takes seconds, and you can start orientating right now. So go on, be a hero. Orientation Manager. Take charge of your orientation. Efficiently manage and deliver custom orientations online.